Let us also look at how to create and save an Excel file. Open a new workbook, click on your Excel, and it will take you to this display. Or you can, if you have an existing workbook you're using, you can go to your file and go to this tab and click on new to take it here. So under here, you are going to be seeing blank workbook, sales report, and several other templates that you can make use of. Also, you can as well, if you want to access other workbook that you've used, you go to new and you have access to them here. So let's click on blank workbook. Here is a blank workbook, and let's save this blank workbook. Maybe you have used it and you want to save it. So you control S and you write, you rename your file. So let's say Candy Crush. Candy Crush. Then you can select any of this soft format that you can make use of. Then you can choose the location you want to save the document as. So if you want to share the file, you can do any other thing here. You want to share the file and you can save, or you can go to, let's say, and you can also go to either save here to save your file, or you go to save as to save your file. So here you can choose browse the location you want to save the document, and the document will be saved. Understanding rows, columns, and cells in Excel. Columns are vertical section in worksheet, labeled with letters A, B, C, or AA or AB, and many others. And it is used to organize data categories like name, date, price, and minute. While rows are horizontal section in a worksheet, labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, and many others. And each row usually represents a single record or an item. While cells are individual boxes where a row and column intersect. Each cell has a unique address like A1, column A, and row 1. This is where you enter your formula or functions. So based on our explanation on columns, row, and cell, we explain the fact that columns are labeled with letters, rows are labeled with numbers, while cells has a unique address, which is an intersect between rows and column. So let's quickly explain what all this means. So if you notice here at the top, we have letters and we have different letters. We have A, B, C, D, E, F to infinity. So we have more. So, and we also have numbers. We have numbers from 1 to over 1 million. Now, what does this mean? Anything that is vertical is they are all columns. Anything that is vertical, they are all columns. Anything that is horizontal, they are all rows. But each boxes that intersect between this vertical and this horizontal, they are called cells. And one thing that makes Excel to be somehow unique is that Excel make each cells to be a lot unique. Now, why did I say a lot unique? In the sense that now you can easily know which cells you have without without thinking of maybe tracing or anything. You understand? You don't need to trace, you can easily know where you are. Now you will notice that I'm in H and I'm in 5. So now Excel make it to be somehow good that They bring in the columns and they bring in the rows. Now they match the letters and the numbers together. So, so if you are on a particular box, if you're on a particular cell, and you come to this top, you notice that the cell will be reading B10. B10. B signifies column B, while 10 signifies row 10. Signifies row 10. So anytime you are writing or you are doing a work in Excel, so always understand the fact that this A, B, C, all these are your columns. Why 1, 2, 3 to 1 million or more, they are your rows. They are your rows. So don't just say, oh, I'm writing in column when you are writing in rows, right? Don't say you're writing in columns when you're writing in rows. So these are your rows, these are your columns, these are your rows.